This is a short descriptive video about a Copal Caslon flip alarm clock, the model 707. It's kind of like the successor, I would say, of the 601 and the 602, albeit that they didn't have an alarm. This one does, and for some reason this one appears to be quite rare. It was only fairly recently that I managed to get my hands on my first ever 707. And it is quite different from all the other clocks that Copal made. The flaps are, as far as I'm aware, please correct me if I'm wrong, they're not exchangeable with any other model that I know, not even the day and the date flaps. They're very different. They're a different font, different size, a slightly different shape, for example, for the 602, which also has a day-date function, but also has black flaps, but they're certainly not exchangeable. The design of this is very nice, very nicely done in that sense. You know, you know, there are no buttons there. Everything happens. Everything that you need to do happens. The bottom of the clock. Of course, this is the time, 24-hour version. This is the date. It's the date. It's a German clock, so Fr is Freitag, Friday. It's not that complicated. And here you have a wheel for the alarm. This one is lighted once you switch the alarm on, and here at the bottom you have all the controls. Basically, this is for setting the time. This button sets the day. This button sets the date. This one sets the alarm and it controls the alarm, or it sets the time for the alarm. And this one, when you pull it out like that, the alarm is on, and you know, push it in, the alarm's off. So in the morning when your alarm sounds, you need to basically lift up your clock, push it in and put it back. Not the most ideal situation if you ask me, but in all fairness, I have one of these by my own bed, and yeah, I use it, but of course for the time and for the date, if I happen to forget what day of the week it was or whatever, I just don't use the alarm. I use the alarm on my phone, as most people would do nowadays anyway. But I mean, the alarm works. It's not the most practical alarm, but it works. But I mean, it really doesn't matter, because it's just a gorgeous, fantastic clock to look at. This clock was available in 3 colors. A bright kind of yellow, not the Harvest Gold yellow, unfortunately, but a really bright kind of yellow. There's one in my shop at the moment in this color, and there was a off-white kind of color. So three colors. So this clock, the motor was cleaned and lubricated. The wiring was replaced on the inside. I put in some new lights, new resistors. I got a brand new cable, brand new plug. The clock was polished. The plastic glass, it's not real glass, unfortunately. The plastic glass was also polished. So the clock is in really good but used condition. It's not mint, it's not near mint, it's a really good used condition. You can see that it's used, but I mean, you have to look really close to find traces of use. I think that's it. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.